Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to cut and prepare a pomegranate. Let's start off by cutting it like this from the top. Try not to cut it all the way through because then you're going to pulverize all the pomegranates inside. Next, we're going to cut some slits all the way down, and again, try not to cut all the way through. Did you know that pomegranates are rich in antioxidants? They are a good source of fiber and also a good source of vitamin C. Okay, now we're gonna start to peel it. Uh-oh, I think I went too far on my slits. Now just start peeling it back. I don't think there's a right way to peel this. The most important part is just to get all the seeds out. Oh my god, it's so juicy! The most important part is to take your time because if not, the seeds will go everywhere. I'm doing this in real time, so if you have a pomegranate, you can do this with me. Don't worry if those little skins fall inside, we're gonna do a little cleaning anyways.
From the head to the closest.
Oh, we got to do that now.
Oof, we're finally done cleaning it and peeling it. Now let's prepare it Mexican style. Go ahead and squeeze 1.5 limes into your pomegranate. I know, but trust me, it's gonna be delicious. Now that we got the lime on there, we're gonna start putting the chili powder. I really like this Valentina one, it's not too salty. Just go ahead and put a little bit over the pomegranate. Next we're gonna put this Mexican chili powder. Oh no, never mind, the chamoy goes first. Pour a little bit of chamoy all over it. Now for the Mexican chili powder, sprinkle some on top. Now squeeze half of the lime in there. Give it a quick mix. Add a little bit more of the Valentina chili powder. Give it a quick mix and it's ready. Now it's time for the taste test. That is so good. Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out our chamoy pickle recipe if you're craving more hot stuff.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.